Okay, the central bank is in their one of their function is to look after the fiscal economy or the uh, monetary operations of the economy, and the way they manage it is through the interest rate corridor. Now, when you hear in the business news that the central bank has cut rates by 50 basis points, they're cutting the policy rate, meaning the rate in the middle, your money market rate. Yan yung benchmark usually ng mga banks in their lending and borrowing operations. Now, in the corridor, you would see that there is a floor rate and a ceiling. The floor rate, ito yung deposit rate that the central bank gives to banks when they place money with the central bank. Remember, the bank's bank is the central bank, meaning they get money from the central bank and they also place money to the central bank whenever they have excess funds. This is one of the ways the central bank manages the flow of funds in the economy. If they want more banks to put in money in them and not in the economy, they increase the floor or they manage the policy rate so that the floor will also be elevated. Similarly, if banks needed funds, they would borrow from the central bank, and that is the ceiling rate, the lending facility. So that's the rate that the central bank charges for banks that are borrowing from them. And the policy rate is in between, and the corridor is set as a basis points above or below the policy rate. And this becomes the benchmark for most banks in terms of their lending operation. So tayo as corporate treasurers, we also must be adept as to where the interest rates in the market currently sits, how the central bank influences those funding rate, which in turn impacts our operation.